What's this? Another warp in the space-time continuum? Wait, how did this project get done? What's happening? What's in this box? How did we get here? Oh, it's on the USB drive. That answers everything. All right, that went pretty well. Just a couple things I'm going to change. Notice that it actually went over the square and the wrench section twice, so I'm going to change that. And I also noticed in here that there's a lot of back and forth movement that's really slowing it down. So I'm going to leave the shapes just like they were. I like the way those worked, but I'm going to clean this up really fast. So I'm going to go into here and turn my toolpath off for a minute. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out all of these sections right here, so it just becomes one big shape. Then it does it as one shape instead of two. That will save me a lot of time. And if you want to see really quick, I'm going to go up to my time. Actually, I can just hover over this. So right now, according to that, it's 10 minutes and 28 seconds. Let's remember that. All right, I'm going to go into here now. And since I did that cut, it doesn't show those as vectors anymore, so I have to reselect that. I'm going to make one change right here. Instead of an offset cut, I'm going to do a raster cut. And the profile pass is going to go last. So what that means is it's going to start just by going back and forth in the middle. And then in the very end, it will do one smooth pass around the outside. I'm not going to change anything else. And just by hovering over that, it says it takes about the same amount of time. I don't actually believe that, because what it's not taking into account is the acceleration time of the machine. Every time the machine has to change directions, it slows it down. But we can preview this. I'm going to slow it down a little bit. Okay, so right there we can see what it's going to do. carves out that outside, then does a trace around. It does a second pass in the middle, or at the lower level, and then it traces it around. So that's what we want to do. But we've got a good proof of concept here. I'm ready to work out the rest of the drawer, and when everything else is organized, I'll take this toolpath, plop it down on top of everything else, and ready to go. But hey, for now, this is all I wanted to do for today. I have a whole different project online for tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. See ya!